What are the benefits to WWScenics 10-drawer Loco Storage Box to other products on the market? So the benefits to the 10-drawer Loco Storage Box is that you can see what you've got at a glance. 10 individual drawers that you can put your locos in. You can even put the running number on the front, so you don't even have to take the drawers out. Yeah, they snugly fit, tight, clean, and safe in the drawers. Yeah, simply put them away. You've got your fleet in front of you, and you can stack on top as well. No going through empty boxes, no taking lids off anything, no stacking them underneath somewhere and have to get them out. Yeah, purely and utterly just for storage. Keep it clean, keep it safe, and know exactly what you've got, and run your favourite locos anytime you want.